Welcome to my channel Mathematics Class 6. Here we'll apply two laws of exponents. The first law is x raised to m whole raised to n is equal to x raised to m into n, and the second we'll apply is square root of x is equal to x raised to 1 upon 2. So now as per the first rule, we'll get a plus b raised to 2 whole raised to 3 is equal to a plus b raised to 2 into 3. So we'll get a plus b raised to 6. Now we'll apply this rule again. So a plus b raised to 6 whole raised to 4. So we'll get a plus b raised to 6 into 4. So we'll get a plus b whole raised to 24. Now we'll apply rule number 2. So now as per rule 2, we'll write square root of a plus b raised to 24 equal to a plus b raised to 24 whole raised to 1 upon 2. So as a result, we'll get a plus b raised to 24 by 2. So now 12 2s are 24. So our final solution is a plus b whole raised to 12. So now option B is the correct option, and we have to remember these two rules. The present age of father is 5 times of the age of his son. After 4 years, the age of father will be 4 times the age of his son. Find the present age of his son. So here, let us assume age of son is equal to y years. So present age of father is equal to 5 times the age of his son, so it is 5y years. Now after 4 years, age of son will be y plus 4 and age of father will be 5y plus 4. Now after 4 years also the age of father becomes 4 times the age of his son. So now from this we can say 5y plus 4 is equal to 4y plus 16. So now 5y minus 4y is equal to 16 minus 4. So y is equal to 12 years. So the option A is the correct option. What will be the simple interest of 1200 after 2 years if the rate of interest is 10%? So we can write rate of interest is equal to 10 by 100. If we simplify this, we'll get 1 by 10. Now simple interest of 2 years is equal to number of years into interest into principal amount. So here we have 2 years, we have 1 upon 10 into 1200. So now if we cancel this, we'll get 120 into 2, that is 240. So we can say option B is the correct option. A submarine at 24 feet below sea level suddenly moves up about 6 feet. At what depth is the submarine located now? So now the sea level is considered as 0. Below sea level is considered as negative integer. So here we can say the current position is minus 24. Now the submarine goes up about 6 feet. So now this displacement is in the opposite direction, so it is treated as plus 6. So now the final position is equal to minus 24 plus 6, that is equal to minus 18 feet below the sea level. So option C is the correct option. If the monthly salary of a man increased by rupees 600, it becomes 10% increment of his total salary. Find the salary after the increment. So now we can say the salary is X before increment. Now this will be the 10% increment of his total salary. So now 10% is written as 10 upon 100, which is multiplied with X, and this increment is equivalent to 600 rupees. So now if we solve this, it is X upon 10, because we'll cancel this. So we'll get this X upon 10 is equal to 600. So X will be 600 into 10, that is equal to 6000. So now X is the salary before the increment. So new salary is equal to 6000 plus 600. So it is 6600. So option B is the correct option. A brick is broken down into 2 pieces in such a way that each piece is 0.008 meter long. What will be the total length of this brick? So now brick is broken into two pieces. So now total length is equal to 0.008 plus 0.008. So if we do this addition, 8 plus 8, 16, carry 1, so we'll get 1, then 0. So we'll get 0.016 meter. Now we want the solution in centimeter. So now we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here we'll multiply 0.016 meter is equal to 0.016 into 1 meter. So that is 0.016 into 100 centimeter. So now we'll get as a result 1.6 centimeter. So option A is the correct option. Find the value of angle x if triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So now it is an equilateral triangle. So if we consider the sum of all the three angles in a triangle, it is always 180 degree, and because it is equilateral, all three angles are equal, so it will be 60 degree. Now sides DB and DC of the triangle DBC are the bisector of angles ABC and ACB. So we can say this angle will be 30, this will be also 30. Similarly over here, this will be also 30, this will be also 30. So now if I consider angle D plus angle DBC plus angle DCB, then this will be again 180 degree. So angle DBC plus angle DCB is 60. So we can say angle D plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. We are adding this 2. So we are getting 60 degree. So now from this we can say angle D is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. So which is giving us 120 degree. So option C is the correct option. In a 3-digit number, the digit at the units place is 4 times the digit at the tens place. So now always digit will be a single digit. So we have two possibilities here. The first possibility is we can have a tens place as 1 and ones place can be 4. Second possibility is we can have tens place as 2, so ones place can be 4 times of it, that is 8. Now the digit at the hundreds place is 1 upon 2 or half of the sum of the digits. So now if we do the sum of these digits, then it becomes 5. Here if we do the sum of the digits, then it becomes 10. Now the digit at the hundreds place is half of the sum of the digits. So now here if we take half of this, then we'll get 2.5, which is not a valid digit because it is a fractional number. but here if I take 10 upon 2, then it is 5. So this is the correct possibility. So we know that now we have the solution as 1's place digit 8, then we have 10's place digit 2, and the 100 place digit is 5. And this is not a valid possibility. So option B is the correct option. How many of the following letters have at least one line of symmetry? So now here, if you consider the alphabet B, it has horizontal line of symmetry. If you consider alphabet A, it has vertical one line of symmetry. N has no line of symmetry. G has no line of symmetry. Again A, it has one vertical line of symmetry. L has no line of symmetry. O has many lines of symmetry. R has no line of symmetry. E has horizontal line of symmetry. So if you count the number of letters having at least one line of symmetry, then it is 5. As you can see here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5. So option C is the correct option. Each angle in the pentagon is an. So here you can see that the sum of all angles in this pentagon is equal to 540 degree. Now there are 5 angles in this pentagon. So the measure of one angle is equal to 540 divided by 5. So if we write, it is 54 into 10 divided by 5. So here 5 2s are 10. So we'll get 54 into 2, which is equal to 108 degree. So now this 108 degree is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So it is known as obtuse angle. Option B is the correct option. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more MCQs. This is useful in IMO, IOM and other mathematics competition.